Over the next few minutes, I will be revealing to you how to get natural pink lips at home. Make sure you watch until the end. Every single tip is important to you. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Lips are the center of attraction of our face. I have never seen a smiling face which is not beautiful. Well, for a beautiful smile it is not always the teeth that need to be clean and white, but the lips also play an important role. What's better if you have natural pink smooth lips? So, in this video, I will be revealing to you 5 effective ways to get pink lips naturally at home in just 1 week. So that next time your chapped dark lips do not come in between your confidence and smile. Without any further delay, let's begin. 1. Honey, lemon, and sugar for pink lips. Honey is rich in bleaching agents that help to remove the darkness on the lips. Also, honey helps to retain moisture on the lips so that lips stay hydrated and do not chap. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which is already proven to lighten skin color. Therefore, it is a perfect cure for dark lips. Sugar is a natural exfoliant. Scrub made with sugar will remove dead skin cells from the top of your lips, unleashing soft pink lips from beneath. Now that you know the benefit of each and every ingredient, let's move on to the recipe for a scrub. Ingredients: 1. Honey 1 tablespoon. 2. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. 3. Sugar, brown or white 1 teaspoon. Procedure: 1. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. 2. Do not dissolve sugar completely while mixing, as we need granules of sugar for scrub purposes. 3. Apply a small amount of this mix on your lips and let it sit for 10 minutes. 4. After 10 minutes, gently massage your lips with fingers. 5. This will scrub off all the dead skin cells present on the lips, moisturize them and reduce their dark color. Apply this scrub daily at the night before going to sleep. This scrub works miraculously and will definitely bring you soft and pink lips within 1 week. As honey and lemon contain bleaching agents, you need to limit your sun exposure or use SPF lip balm of 30 or above. Otherwise, sun rays can further harm your new skin on lips. 2. Lemon and olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil lip mask. As said above, lemon is a natural lightening agent that is used by many to lighten their skin color. Lemon juice does not have side effects, but still, I would recommend you take a patch test before using this lip mask regularly. Points to be considered: do not use this lip mask if you have chapped lips and blood often comes out of them. Do not use this lip mask if your lips are sensitive to lemon juice. Lemon can cause a slight tingling sensation, which is normal, but if tingling sensation turns into irritation, discontinue using lip mask. Olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil will moisturize your lips and reduce their dark color over time. Additionally, these oils also maintain the smoothness of the lips. Ingredients: 1. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. 2. Olive oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil 1 tablespoon. Procedure: 1. Mix lemon juice and oil in the mentioned quantity. 2. Scrub your lips using an above-mentioned lip scrub. 3. Apply this mask on your lips and sleep. 4. Wake up in the morning with beautifully plumped lips. Use this lip mask every day at night before going to sleep. It would be better if you use it after a lip scrub. This lip mask will make your lips soft and pink in just 1 week. You will see the difference after a week. 3. Rose petals and milk for pink lips. Rose petals were used in ancient times to achieve that rosy pink lips. In modern times also, rose petals are the ideal choice to get rid of discoloration and pigmentation of lips. Combined with milk, rose petals work magically and gives you moisturization of milk and rosiness of rose petals. Enough of the information, now let's dive into the procedure. Ingredients: 1. Fresh rose petals. 2. Raw milk. Procedure: 1. Wash rose petals properly. Use fresh and red roses for this procedure. 2. Soak rose petals in milk overnight. 3. In the morning, crush rose petals in the milk to form a paste. 4. Apply this paste on your lips and leave it for 10 minutes. 5. Wash it with cold water. Apply this lip mask regularly at night and in the morning. This lip mask will remove the darkness and pigmentation of the lips, and also moisturize them. Raw milk is great for an exfoliator. So, use this lip mask regularly and achieve soft pink lips. 4. Beetroot juice and honey lip mask. If you have ever eaten this fruit, you must have noticed its staining power. Yes, it stains your lips, teeth, tongue, and sometimes your clothes also. Besides staining, beetroot is also helpful in removing discoloration of lips. Ingredients: 1. Beetroot juice. 2. Honey. Procedure: take 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice in a bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey and make a paste. If required, add more beetroot juice. Apply this lip mask on your lips overnight and wake up with beautifully soft and pink lips. With continuous usage, this lip mask will gradually make your lips pink and soft. You can use this lip mask daily at night before going to sleep. 5. Lemon and glycerine lip mask. As I have already stated numerous times the benefits of lemon in this video. Here, I present you another good recipe for pink lips that includes lemon. In this lip mask, glycerine is used, which is very hydrating and is ideal for dry, chapped, and pigmented lips. Also, it is very cheap and has no side effects. Ingredients: 1. Lemon juice. 2. Glycerine. Procedure: 1. Take 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2. Add a tablespoon of glycerine to it. 3. Mix well. 4. Apply it on your lips overnight and rinse with cold water in the morning. 5. Regularly apply it at night to get soft pink lips. This lip mask works great for people whose lips are very dry and flaky. Using this lip mask regularly will cure the dryness and flakiness of the lips and also the pigmentation. I hope you liked my recipes to achieve soft pink lips. Please tell me in the comment section below about your favorite recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have hand-picked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.